2 rooms. 4. Hi everyone. Hello. 5th floor siya. Maganda din siya. Pero 5th floor, kaya to nila. 5th floor, Buishida. Malayo to sa ano. Oh. Hello. Welcome back. Hi. Dami nanood. Welcome back. 2 bedroom. Typing power sa 15 minutes. 62 yun. Mas. Ay, sa bagay iba naman. Ay, 2 floor. Wait lang. 18,000. Mahala, oy. Wait lang na. 2 floor lang siya, oh. 2 floor. I'm good. How about you guys? How are you? 18,000. Oh. MRT. Oh, very good. You're fine. Wala, iba sa MRT too. Diyos mo yung marimal. How are you guys? Ganda nito. O, kaso 5 floor siya. Ito 2 floor naman. Sindian. Shimen. Hi. Hello. Mahinor. Mahinor. Solman. Hi everyone. I'm searching. I'm searching only, guys. Diba? Ito, oh. 4 floor. Pwede na rin. Kaso malayo sa MRT. Kakapoy pa man. Grabe. Hi, everyone. Uy, 5th floor siya. Cats allowed. Paano naman yung aso? Charing. 20,000 mahal. 22,000 4 floor. Ang cute ng ano nila, oh. Mahal. Hi, guys. What are you doing, guys? Char. Pilingon. Things station. Wait lang. Ay, 5th floor. Diyos mio, Marimar. Nakakalurky. Super duper. Ano 3 bedroom? Parang, ay, 3 bedroom. Okay na rin. 10,000 times ano. Mura na siya. Next time na lang. Diba? Hi, guys. Ang ganda lang. As in. Rawan ako. Grabe. Nano na. Hi guys, don't forget to follow me. Thank you. Don't forget to follow me, guys. I'm so wavy. I'm so wavy. Just follow me.